Okay, good morning. I want to thank everyone for joining us this morning for our Teamcenter Rapid Start webinar. We're going to go ahead and get started. I'll start off first with introductions. My name is Rich Solte. I am the Director of Sales for PROLIM. I collectively have about 25 years of consulting experience in IT as well as engineering services, PLM. We also have on the line Anant, who is one of our senior technical architects. Anant has over 10 years of PLM-related experience, including working specifically at Siemens. And then we also have Prabhu Patil, who is the president of PROLIM. He has approximately 25 years of PLM-related experience, including also working at Siemens in the past as a senior director. And then we have from Siemens PLM Technical Group, Troy Wilson, who also has over 10 years of related experience. Our agenda today will take roughly about 30 to 40 minutes. First off, I'm going to start with just a brief overview of PROLIM. Then I'm going to speak a little bit more about the foundation of PLM and then get into our Teamcenter Rapid Start presentation. And Anant will provide a brief video of Teamcenter so we can show you some of the capabilities. And then at the end, we will open it up to a question and answer session for all. So to give you a brief overview of PROLIM, we've been in business since 2005. We're based here in Metro Detroit. We've won numerous awards from various different groups, including Inc. 500, as one of the fastest growing in our industry. We have a strong presence in the automotive, manufacturing, high-tech, and aerospace industry. And our specialty is IT, PLM, and engineering-related services. We have 3 locations here in the U.S., 2 in Asia, and we have a partnership over in Europe. So to start off with Rapid Start, some of the challenges that a lot of companies face nowadays with product development and launching new products is trying to be successful. There's a lot of failures because there's not satisfactory return on investment, not the proper resources allocated necessarily for a program, and cost overruns is typically another major problem. So the old adage of knowledge is power is a very common but universal truth, and it's one of the few lasting competitive advantages that a lot of companies have to put you ahead of the curve from your competition. So when you look at PDM, there's a lot of things that you really need to consider. Where do you start? What kinds of resources will you need? How much is it going to cost? And how fast can you get there? So implementing PDM is very important that you achieve your benefits very quickly and rapidly. A lot of what you get is you get the opportunity for a simple and fast install, high value, pre-configured system based on some of the best practices, and it requires minimal IT experience, and you can realize your benefits and your ROI very quickly. Some of the essential things with PDM that you need to consider really is product data and control, processes, and simple process execution, and also dealing with multi-CAD design. With Rapid Start, one of the nice things is you can actually get up and running relatively quickly because it has a simple installation process with pre-configured workflows from some of the best practices from literally literally thousands of installs over the years from Siemens customers. And it offers you integration with your different CAD systems. We'll get into a little bit more detail here in the next few slides. So, with RapidStart, you really have a complete PDM, as you can see on the slide here. It offers multi-CAD data management, document management, simple process management. It also has pre-configured roles for functionality and platform deployment. So some of the key solution areas in RapidStart, it includes basic capabilities that allow you to get your PDM up running quickly and effectively. It offers multi-CAD environment, which allows you to manage and share and reuse your design data, define standard processes and templates, and it also offers an intelligent part number structure. RapidStart also includes a document management that allows you to establish relationships between your parts and your different product information, such as quality data, any engineering changes. All of the information is right there at your fingertips. It also gives you a simple process automation with pre-configured workflows and entry-level engineering change management. When you look at multi-CAD, you know, a lot of companies are dealing with multiple CAD systems such as NX, Solid Edge, CATIA, SolidWorks, ProE, AutoCAD, and Inventor. And with RapidStart, these all come fully configurable so that you can bring in your CAD data from all these different systems into your PDM. Again, here's some sample drawings that just show you what it would look like. So when you look at multi-CAD data management, that's really kind of key. Also, RapidStart has, as I mentioned earlier, full document management capabilities with complete Microsoft Office integration, as well as it integrates very well with PDF. So again, you can have all of your product data information linked right into one system, and it's quick and simple to search, and there's a lot of pre-configured reports that come standard out of the box with RapidStart. Simple process management is another thing that comes with RapidStart, and it allows you to define searches very quickly so that you can find the information that you need very quickly. You can search on business objects and their properties using either pre-configured or user-defined searches. And what's nice is you can actually save those searches and use them over and over again. So you won't have to set up those type of searches in the future. It also allows you to do basic workflow as well as streamlining your product development and automating and synchronizing a lot of your processes. Providing review and comment capability and approving and rejecting parts and documents is very simple. And it allows you to basically manage things across a cross-functional group. In multi-CAD design, you also have BOM management, so it allows you, with the powerful product structure manager that's built into Teamcenter, you can do your design reviews very quickly and avoid common errors with multiple BOMs where you may have misunderstandings between your BOM information, which is very typical in a lot of companies. Pre-configured roles and functionality, as I mentioned, allows you to give access and permissions to your different users. What's nice is it has it pre-configured, but based on standard practices within design and engineering groups, but you can also extend that further. And it's nice because it allows you to issue an engineering change or when you're doing design reviews, you can do them very quickly and easily. The other nice thing that comes with Rapid Start, it also provides a CAD neutral visualization tool. So you can actually bring in your 2D and 3D CAD designs, and you don't necessarily have to bring up your actual CAD system to look at parts, do measurements, and look at dimensioning and things like that. It's all done through a JT file format, and folks that are in your extended enterprise can also look at some of this CAD information without the actual CAD software. So it minimizes how many licenses you may necessarily have to have. Rapid Start basically delivers a simple installation and setup. It's a rich client and web client, and the pre-configured database workflows and user groups and items, as well as reporting and project schedules, make it very simple and easy to install and set up. You don't have to have a whole lot of IT expertise behind it. Again, the pre-configured roles and functionality. Also, there's a shop floor viewer that comes standard with Rapid Start, so it allows you to look at all your different measurement data. Again, you can look at 2D and 3D drawings. Your folks on the shop floor can just log into Teamcenter and look at a drawing as opposed to necessarily having a printed document in front of them or having to access the actual CAD system. So in summary, Rapid Start is really a simple and fast and easy to install and set up and deploy. It offers a pre-configured, proven best practices, again, with your different workflows. And it requires minimal IT expertise, and it delivers a very fast return on investment. One of the nice things is with Rapid Start, it basically sets up the foundation for an organization to grow into a full-fledged PLM solution, which Teamcenter is. The first layer here that you see on the screen includes what comes as a part of the Rapid Start PDM solution. And then the next two layers allows you to get into full PLM. This allows organizations to basically grow as they become larger, and you can take the capabilities of full PLM to further heights for your organization. The reason why this is important is there's a lot of real complex systems out there, and what I like to call systems of systems. The whole idea behind Teamcenter and the growth path starting out with Rapid Start as far as your PDM solution is that eventually you can migrate to a full-blown PLM solution and manage all of these different complex systems within Teamcenter. And why would you want to go with Teamcenter? Siemens is Teamcenter's product with Siemens backing it is the #1 PLM solution in the world. There's more installs globally than any other PLM or solution out there. And in a combination with Siemens and PROLIM, we can offer you full global access and support. We have the expertise on staff, not only locally here in the U.S., but also in other parts of the world. And there is a network literally from Siemens out there for supporting global clients. So with that, I am going to turn it over to Anand.
Thank you, Rich. Are you able to hear me, Rich?
Yes.
Good morning, everyone. We'll go through a summary of key features of Teamcenter Rapid Start over this video. So now, where do you start with product data management? You want to take control of your product design data, but there are so many choices in PDM. How do you know what you need today? Will it be enough in the future? can you get a world-class product that can be deployed quickly, cost-effectively, and can be expanded on need basis as you grow? The answer is Teamcenter Rapid Start. Start by taking control of your product design. Teamcenter Rapid Start's truly multi-CAD capabilities enable you to effectively and efficiently manage, control, and share CAD across the entire design supply chain. Your design teams can create, manage, visualize, validate, and reuse native design data from wide selection of CAD systems. Using JT 3D CAD neutral visualization standard, you can collaborate on design even if you don't have access to the CAD tools that authored them. You can pull BOM reports or do a BOM roll-up. You can control access to your data. By establishing single secure source of CAD data, you have access to information you need to make better decisions across your organization. Product definition doesn't end with design. Teamcenter Rapid Start includes standardized document management features, so you can create and manage documents in conjunction with product design and processes. Its integration with Microsoft Office extends to desktops of users who don't need to leave their familiar Office applications like MS Word. The Teamcenter menu from Word allows you to check out, check in, review, and edit product-related documents and manage files in Teamcenter. Once you have control of your product-related data, you can apply it to the automated PDM processes. Teamcenter Rapid Start comes pre-configured with standard set of best-in-class workflows that support common roles and processes you need to get started in PDM. For example, you can manage engineering change. Here, user has an assignment to assess what items would be affected by a proposed change. With a couple of clicks, they have clear visibility to the impact of change. This is part of the engineering order workflow process included in Teamcenter Rapid Start. It includes both the change request and change order components of a typical engineering change process. Because Teamcenter Rapid Start is pre-configured based on PDM best practices, you can deploy it quickly and cost-effectively for a fast return on your PDM investment. Here's the deal. As a consumer, with Teamcenter Rapid Start, you get the best out of the best PDM PLM system in the world. And once you have gained confidence in your PDM deployment, it allows you to smoothly expand in the PLM area as you need it. As a PLM vendor, it has given us the flexibility in providing a great solution to the customer based on the need and budget. That was the recap. Thank you, and over to you, Rich.
Thank you, Anna. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and open it up to question and answer. What I would ask is, if you do have a question, please state your name and the company that you're with, and then one of our panel members here will answer your question for you as best as we can. So one of the questions that came through on the chat session was, what are the main differences between Teamcenter Express and Rapid Start? Prabhu, I'll ask you if you don't mind to answer that one for us, please.
Sure. Teamcenter Express is it was the version 9.1 is the latest version that is delivered by Siemens, after which every customer have to upgrade to Teamcenter Rapid Start. Teamcenter Rapid Start is a complete solution that will enable customers to deploy the pre-configured solution of the CAD data management, BOM, and etc. we went through quickly to the deployment. If you have Teamcenter Express today, you need to upgrade to Teamcenter Rapid Start. If you don't have Teamcenter Express, you will be directly going into Teamcenter Rapid Start.
Thank you. So, yeah, Another question that came through is Rapid Start limited only to the out-of-the-box solution? Troy, if you don't mind, I'll let you answer that one.
Yeah, sure, thanks, Rich. And it is not limited to the out-of-the-box. If you need to add some other configurations to track attributes or properties, or maybe you want to move into some higher-level functionality like community schedule management. All those are available with Rapid Start.
Yeah, and I actually brought up on the screen the one slide that has basically the top layer is what comes with Rapid Start, and then if you roll into the full-blown Teamcenter PLM solution, you get all of these other items that come with Teamcenter.
Yes, well said.
Any other questions from the audience out there? So one other question I just got was specifically on the product structure manager and BOM management. What's the difference really between what comes with Rapid Start versus the Teamcenter PLM solution? Anant, if you don't mind, could you answer that one?
Sure, Rich. The Teamcenter Rapid Start has got full-fledged structure management. It's the same structure manager and BOM management which comes from the Teamcenter product. So, main thing with Teamcenter Rapid Start, I'll just say it again, but it comes with the strongholds of Teamcenter. It comes with the strong structure management and CAD management. It comes with the processes, pre-configured processes. So these are some of the things which are which come with Teamcenter Rapid Start.
Thank you, Anant. One other question that just came across was, how long does it take to upgrade from Teamcenter Express to Rapid Start? Troy, do you mind maybe taking a stab at answering that one?
Yeah, I'll take a stab. To let that process, we do have tools to move you right from Express into Rapid Start. Length of time, can always vary, of course, depending on how much data you're talking about moving forward, or if you want to put in any additional functionality. But I think the key part there is we have an outline process and outline tools to move you from Express right into Rapid Start.
Okay. Great. Any other questions from anybody out in the audience? Another question I just saw that came across is, what CAD products can I manage? I'll actually go back a couple slides here and cover that. So out of the box, these are the different CAD products that come with integration built into Rapid Start. So Autodesk, Solid Edge, ProE, NX, CATIA, and SolidWorks. Not to say that you couldn't potentially bring in other CAD products as well. And what's nice is, I guess that I'll add is, again, you can actually manage all of your data in the JT file format, so you can use a visualization tool with some of your enterprise there where they don't necessarily have to have the CAD look at drawings and part information, that sort of thing. So. Any other questions? Okay, well, I want to, again, just reiterate that both Siemens and PROLIM are here to help you. If there are any additional questions that you would like to take offline, my contact information is also on the screen here. Feel free to reach out to me, and I'd be happy to set up a separate meeting with you to discuss your needs specifically, and we can talk more in depth about Rapid Start or any PLM-related needs that you might have. I want to thank everyone for your time this morning, and hope you have a great day. Thanks, Troy. Thanks, Prabhu and Anand.
Thank you.